and welcome to This Week in the Studio. I'm Amy Nicole, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my choice of what I am sending for the Restyling Exchange to my partner to be restyled. So I'm super excited because my partner is Michelle of @WinMichelle on Instagram. Be sure to check her out. She has a lot of amazing makes, and she also always has some really fun stuff in her stories. She's actually currently going to school for fashion design and pattern making right now, so she always has a lot of really fun tidbits of what she's learning at school in her stories, which is awesome. It kind of brings me back to my school days, which I really miss. So I love seeing her stories for that. And I asked her if she would want to be my partner, and she said yes. So this is what I am going to be sending off to be restyled by Michelle. So first is this dress that I got at Goodwill because I really like the little polka dots. They're like little circle polka dots. It's a vintage dress. It's got some fun pleating down here, which she could either use or iron out, and it would be a decent amount of fabric to work with. It's a very nice drapey fabric. I wonder if it has the content. No, I can't. The tag is faded. So, and it's buttoned down up here. It's got these cute little covered buttons, which could be used or not. Overall, I was attracted to the dress in general. I think it's a really cute, fun, vintage style. It has an elastic waist with the half buttons, the notch collar that I love. But it's a large, so it doesn't fit me. So I was just kind of attracted to the look, the simple, cute little print, and I wanted to send something with it just in case she needed a little bit more to work with. And I have this fabric, which is also navy. I have one small piece here, and then I have about a yard maybe. Where's the selvage? Oh yeah, okay. I have about a yard of this really awesome silky, maybe rayon that I got from an estate sale. That's also navy, but it has bigger polka dots with a little bit of red in it, and these polka dots are a little bit more like abstract looking. I made my sister a top out of this, a Dove blouse by Megan Nielsen. So I had a lot of this fabric to begin with, which tells you how much I love my sister because this fabric is amazing. And I made something not for myself and I gave it to her. So if she ever gets rid of that shirt, I'm taking it back. Anyway, I have about a yard of it, which would be enough to make myself like an Ogden cami or some other kind of top, but I don't exactly have anything in mind for it necessarily, so I'm gonna send it with her just in case because look how cute these look together. They're both like the same kind of navy, and the bigger white polka dots look so cute with the little white polka dots and the red, and the fabric has a similar drape. So I was looking in my stash for something that I could send with just in case, which I think is always helpful. And such a good combo, guys. So I'm really excited to be able to send this to her. If she uses it, awesome. If she doesn't, that's fine too. And I cannot wait to see what she does with it, and I cannot wait to see what she sends me to refashion. So I'm gonna probably show you guys that next week. I am already printed out my questionnaire, so if you are in the Restyling Exchange, don't forget to send this to your partner. Today is mail day. I don't know if I'm actually gonna get this video posted today. I might not post it till tomorrow, so if you haven't mailed today and it's tomorrow, then mail today because you're late. If any of that makes sense. Monday, May 6th is mail day, okay? So don't forget to put in your questions, if you're a questionnaire, so that your restyler can know a little bit more about you, so they have all your measurements, so they know where to find you on Instagram, etc. And that is it. Short, quick video for you guys today of what's going on with the Restyling Exchange. It has started. I love seeing all of your progress posts on Instagram. So don't forget, you don't have to keep everything a secret till the end. I wouldn't show off the entire finished product until your partner gets it, but you can show progress pictures. Don't forget to take your before pictures of both what you're sending and what you receive to restyle, because your partner might have forgot to take a before picture, so don't forget. Very, very important. So that's it for me today. I don't have a ton else on the agenda to talk with you guys about. I'm still finishing up prom season, so I've got a pile of prom dresses I need to get back to altering. So thank you so much for joining me this week in the studio, and I will talk to you next week. Bye!